Building a new website for your business for the first time, or going through a site redesign, can be stressful for business owners. The fear of missing key elements, the unknowns about cost, and finding the right professional or agency to build it are just some of the common challenges with a website build. At Fuze7 Digital Marketing, we have a structured, measured approach to building websites for our clients, developed over a decade in the business by professionals with decades of combined experience. Make sure to reach out if you need help building your site. We start the website building process by collaborating closely with the client. We ask crucial questions with answers that will ultimately shape the website properly to showcase your business products and services. Additional questions are asked to understand the target audience demographics and what would compel them to complete a transaction, such as a purchase or lead form submission on your site. Questions we ask often include, how many products or services do you have? How many different target audiences can we build for what you offer? And if we drive significant traffic to the e-commerce solution on your website, are you set up internally to handle the increase in traffic, orders, and/or submissions? The latter of those questions often spawns additional support by building out the e-commerce and CRM portions of a business's backend. The term site schematic is not just a fancy way to say digital blueprint. It's also the foundation for which everything on the website is built. It includes things like user flows, indexed pages, SEO metadata info, and where your site's e-commerce solution integrates with your site. The site schematic ensures a proper UX design from the start, setting up the website to be intuitive with clear navigation, fast load times, and a responsive design that works seamlessly on all devices. Meanwhile, the UI design portion of the schematic involves selecting the right color schemes, fonts, and imagery to create a cohesive and attractive look. The choice of platform the website will be built upon depends on factors such as the complexity of the website, the need for e-commerce functionality, and the client's budget. While we can safely say that we use WordPress for the majority of the sites we build, Fuze7 Digital Marketing expert developers also have extensive experience with other builders while offering our own servers. We can seamlessly host your site too. For clients looking to integrate e-commerce into their business website, we often recommend platforms like Shopify, BigCommerce, Magento, WooCommerce, and a lot of others. These platforms are specifically designed to handle online sales, offering features such as inventory management, payment processing, and shipping integration. By selecting the right platform, we can ensure that the website is optimized both for performance and scalability. Content collateral is quite possibly the biggest hurdle in a website build for the majority of our clients and past projects. At Fuze7, we are fully accustomed to taking on website builds with clients that may only have product images with white backgrounds and minimal video assets. We have a full content team at our disposal, capable of creating lifestyle images for your products and services, but also creating video content for the website. This is a necessity for your business to have on your site. Educating your potential customers on your products and services via short video is now the reality. In addition to media, Fuze7 content writers can help fill the pages with SEO-focused text, working to offset the cost of paid search and social advertising right from the beginning. Fuze7 Digital Marketing starts the e-commerce integration process by setting up the necessary infrastructure, including product pages, shopping carts, and payment gateways. Security is also a top priority, so we ensure that all transactions are encrypted and that the website complies with industry standards for data protection. More than just setting up the tent poles, we also walk you through how the integration of your site and e-commerce solution works, with a marketing eye over the entire project. Fuze7 will work with you to understand the user flow and what takes a customer from ad to landing page and through the e-commerce checkout, minimizing roadblocks and maximizing conversion rates along the way. Before launching the website, we conduct rigorous testing to ensure that everything functions as intended. This includes testing the site's performance on different devices and browsers, checking for broken links, and ensuring that all forms and interactive elements work correctly. Quality assurance is an ongoing effort because websites change over time as product listings and new sections are added. During content refreshes, Fuze7 conducts testing to make sure everything is continuing to work as it should. Once your site is built, Fuze7 Digital Marketing is available to be hired for ongoing maintenance. By understanding the unique needs of each client and collaborating closely throughout the process, we create websites that are functional and a true reflection of the client's brand. Whether you're looking to create a mobile-friendly website or integrate e-commerce into your business website, Fuze7 Digital Marketing has the expertise and experience to bring your vision to life. Contact us today by calling 971-366-3378 or sending an email to info@fuze7.com. If you have a general question and would like to reach out, visit the link in the description below and drop us a line.